del 10° giro.
Yeah, well, I think it was a well-deserved success. We did it in front of Ferrari in Italy, a traditional racetrack. In fact, now we're back again.
Yeah, it does. I've only scored 4 points since the 10 I got in Melbourne, so this comes at a good time. And I think today largely was down to the teamwork. As you see, when I was in the pit stop, I got out in front of Jean, so this was a fair and square win, and it's down to the mechanics who did the job today.
Let's say I'm really happy to be on the podium because Monza it's very special for me. Obviously, starting from the pole position, I was looking for the win. The car worked very well, but David was just on the front of me at the pit stop, and obviously I was not able to be quicker than him and obviously to overtake him.
Alberto Librizzi presenta
It was really difficult to overtake, and so our plan was to come into the pits and make a scheduled pit stop, and I think it was slightly too early in that stage because towards the end of the run the lap times are quicker generally, so came in too early probably, and I was surprised that David came out in front of me, so lost 1 place.